Hey you guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here, so let's jump into it. I just want to put a little disclaimer at the beginning of this video that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so opening this month's Boxycharm box, we have the product card as usual. I'm loving the neon, so super summery and so cute. The first product inside this month's Boxycharm box is the Alley Oop Stack the Odds multi-use face stacker. There is a highlight, a blush, and a contour in here. And this is in the shade Sunkissed. And you guys, this packaging is so cool. I love it so much. I have it on today. So it looks a little something like this. You open this up right here, which is your mirror, your highlight, and then you just push it to the side and there are the rest of them. And I'm just gonna do a little finger swatch of all these so you guys can see how pigmented they are and what they look like. So here we have the highlight, we have the blush, and the contour. So this is a super creamy formula that's buildable and blendable, and it has moisturizing ingredients inside like jojoba oil as well as sunflower seed oil to keep your skin glowing. So I love how this is super travel friendly. You can use it with your fingertips or you can pair it with the Alley Oop 4-in-1 makeup brush. The Alley Oop Stack the Odds retails for $38. Next, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. And this is clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin and for all skin types. This is formulated with moisture boosting, redness reducing ingredients that are known to soothe tight, dry skin. And I thought the story behind this product was super interesting. It's inspired by the relief that founder Kate Somerville had as a child when she used goat's milk to relieve her painful eczema. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream retails for $76. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Jika Black Glow Drops. This is a highlighting primer for the face that's vegan and cruelty-free. You guys, this is so pretty. I have it on underneath my makeup today, and I just feel like I'm kind of glowing. Looks a little something like that. And when you rub it in, it just gives you this glow from within. It is so gorgeous. I just want to rub this all over my body every single day. So pretty. The Jika Black Glow Drops retail for $20. Next, we have the Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara. And this is a volume boosting, lash enhancing mascara. Super cute packaging. And the wand looks a little something like this. And I have this on today. The Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara retails for $32. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. And you guys, I have this on my eyes today. It is so gorgeous. So one side is your metallic, so pretty. And the other side is your matte eyeshadow. And these do dry down. The Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm box. I just want to say a huge thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try. I am absolutely loving all of this month's products. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.